Get ready, fellow road warriors. 2025 is revving up to be a wild ride in the SUV universe. Not every chariot on four wheels is destined for glory. Some will leave you laughing or crying every time you turn the key. In today's video, we're counting down the 8 worst SUVs you should avoid at all costs. We'll also explore 8 incredible SUVs you'd want to buy after watching this video. Expect a roller coaster of quirky fails and jaw-dropping wins, with plenty of witty banter along the way. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUVs to skip and which ones might just become your next ride. So without further ado, let's hit the gas. First up, let's look at the cars that made owners say, never again. Number 8. The Volkswagen Tiguan might flash a sleek badge and promise adventure, but don't be fooled by its dashing looks. This SUV is more like that unreliable friend who always shows up late and empty-handed. Owners grumble about its insatiable appetite for oil. You're practically on a perpetual pit stop tour, topping off fluids like you're at an all-you-can-drink buffet. And while the Tiguan touts a third row, it's so cramped that even your pet hamster might need legroom. Underneath its polished exterior, the Tiguan stumbles with unpredictable performance and a touchscreen interface that seems designed to distract rather than assist. It's as if Volkswagen thought, who needs practicality when you could have style? Number 7. The Ford Explorer XLT struts around like the ultimate family SUV, but its reputation for frequent mechanical meltdowns makes it more of an explorer in search of reliability than a dependable road warrior. Buyers find themselves clocking more time in the repair shop than behind the wheel, thanks to parts that vanish faster than your paycheck on a shopping spree. Its interior, promising comfort, instead serves up a lesson in how not to design with cheap materials and cramped third-row seats that seem designed for toddlers. For a price tag that should guarantee top-notch quality, it's more like paying for a roller coaster ride where the fun is quickly replaced by frustration. Number 6. The Hyundai Kona might catch your eye with its compact, stylish frame and wallet-friendly price tag, but underneath that cute exterior lurks a host of issues that can leave you stranded faster than you could say breakdown. Owners have reported that Kona's parts have the longevity of a mayfly, leading to a cascade of repairs and a chronic game of when will it finally give up. Driving the Kona can feel like riding a bucking bronco, with a suspension that's more jittery than a squirrel on espresso. And if you think the interior will save the day, well, think again. Dim-controlled backlighting and an interface that's more confusing maze than user-friendly only adds to the frustration. Number 5. Once celebrated for its rugged dependability, the Jeep Grand Cherokee has turned into a classic case of too much of a good thing. Except in this scenario, the excess is all about quality control issues and a premium price that's hard to swallow. Now, while its rugged exterior might tempt some off-road enthusiasts, the Grand Cherokee's interior feels like a throwback to bygone days of design that once was promising, but now only delivers disappointment. That fancy touchscreen? More like a confusing maze that distracts than delights. Number 4. The Ford Escape promises versatility with a smorgasbord of engine options, yet ends up delivering a puzzling mix of issues that make it feel more like you're playing a high-stakes game of automotive roulette. With its notorious history of recalls, especially for that infamous 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, this SUV is a masterclass in expect the unexpected. Its engine choices range from underwhelming to downright hazardous, making every drive feel like a daredevil stunt without the safety net. Number 3. The Volkswagen Taos is meant to be the larger, more grown-up version of the beloved hatchback, but in reality, it falls flat like a deflated souffle. Its bland design and underwhelming performance leave you wondering if Volkswagen forgot to pack the fun along with the name. While boasting a digital gauge cluster and other techie gadgets, the Taos often disappoints with sluggish acceleration and a performance that's about as exciting as watching paint dry. The Taos struggles to deliver, turning every drive into a lesson in patience and mild exasperation. Number 2. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross sounds like it should be the life of the party, but in reality, it's the automotive equivalent of a one-hit wonder that just won't make a comeback. With a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that produces a mere whiff of horsepower, the Eclipse Cross tries to charm you with its sporty looks while delivering a performance that's more snooze-inducing than exhilarating. Add to that a CVT transmission that struggles to keep up, and you've got a recipe for a drive that's about as exciting as a tax seminar. Inside, the Eclipse Cross suffers from outdated infotainment and a noisy cabin that seems determined to make every conversation a battle against background clamor. The limited cargo space and less than stellar handling only add to the list of woes, making it clear that Mitsubishi aimed high and then crashed spectacularly. And number 1. The Dodge Hornet sounds like a ferocious beast on paper, with a turbocharged engine and aggressive styling that promises to turn heads. But don't be fooled by its flashy facade. Despite its powerful specs and speedy 0 to 60 times, the Hornet is a wallet-stinging paradox. It depreciates faster than you can say hornet's nest. Its fuel consumption issues and questionable reliability mean that you might enjoy the ride at the moment, only to regret it when your resale value buzzes off into oblivion. Now, beyond its performance, the Hornet's small turbocharged engine and clunky hybrid variant have become the stuff of automotive nightmares. Yeah, you might be lured in by its sporty design and impressive power numbers, but a closer look reveals a vehicle that's more trouble than it's worth. Like a flashy gadget that breaks down after the warranty expires. Now, let's take a look on the brighter side of the SUV world, the vehicles owners love the most. Number 1. Now, if the Subaru Crosstrek were a superhero, it'd be the Caped Crusader of reliability and versatility. This little rugged adventurer comes standard with all-wheel drive, making it the perfect sidekick for off-road escapades or urban jungle commutes. Its fuel efficiency, safety features, and spacious interior ensure that it can tackle any terrain while keeping both you and your wallet safe from harm. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of SUVs, compact yet surprisingly capable in every situation. Beyond its practicality, the Crosstrek exudes a charm that's really hard to resist. With a design that's equal parts sporty and sensible, it's like that dependable friend who's always ready for a spontaneous road trip. Number 2. The Toyota RAV4 has long been the poster child for practicality and reliability, and the 2025 model only cements its status as the dependable workhorse of the SUV world. With a cavernous interior that can easily accommodate your family's gear, and then some, the RAV4 is like that friend who always has a spare seat and extra trunk space for your endless shopping bags. Its smooth ride and top-notch safety features make it the go-to choice for those who demand both comfort and peace of mind on every drive. But don't let its practicality fool you. This RAV4 still knows how to have fun. With a fuel-efficient engine that keeps your trips light on gas and heavy on adventure, it proves that you don't have to sacrifice performance for reliability. Number 3. The Mazda CX-60 is the SUV equivalent of a sleek sports coupe that's decided to put on some extra practicality without losing an ounce of style. With an optional turbocharged engine that purrs with spirited performance, this model brings a dash of excitement to every drive. Its interior is a masterclass in upscale design, with premium materials and a layout that feels more luxury sedan than an everyday crossover. It's proof that you can have both flair and function, wrapped up in a package that's as fun to drive as it is to admire. Number 4. The Genesis GV70 is like stepping into a luxury boutique on wheels, a stylish, tech-savvy ride that doesn't skimp on performance or panache. With a design that shouts sophistication and an interior loaded with high-end features, this SUV is the answer to anyone's dreams of affordable luxury. Its turbocharged powertrain delivers a satisfying burst of energy every time you hit the accelerator, making you feel like you've got a secret superpower under the hood. Tech features abound in the GV70, from smart remote parking assists to a futuristic fingerprint authentication system that practically starts the car with a touch. Number 5. Small in size but big on performance, the BMW X1 is a little German dynamo that proves luxury can come in compact form. Its turbocharged engine is nimble and efficient, delivering a performance that's as satisfying as a perfectly brewed cup of espresso. The X1's sharp handling and responsive steering make every drive feel like a mini track day, even if you're just commuting through the city streets. And with its sophisticated design, it's the perfect blend of sportiness and refinement. Number 6. The Kia Telluride is the SUV that wears its family-friendly badge with pride. Imagine the ultimate multitasker who can juggle road trips, school runs, and off-road adventures without breaking a sweat. With its spacious 3-row seating and meticulously designed interior, the Telluride feels like a cozy living room on wheels. Its powerful engine and robust towing capacity ensure that whether you're hauling camping gear or the in-laws' luggage, this ride has your back. Number 7. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is the epitome of refined luxury, offering an SUV experience that's as customizable as it is high-end. This mid-size marvel lets you choose between 2- and 3-row configurations, plus a veritable buffet of engine options that range from subtly peppy to downright thunderous. Its opulent interior, replete with state-of-the-art tech, transforms every drive into a first-class experience, even if you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic. And number 8. The Honda CR-V Hybrid is the eco-friendly hero you never knew you needed, combining the reliability of Honda engineering with the efficiency of a hybrid powertrain that'll make both your wallet and the planet smile. This SUV offers a spacious interior with plenty of cargo room, ensuring that whether you're shuttling groceries or gearing up for a weekend getaway, you're set up for success. It's like that responsible friend who always remembers to bring extra snacks for the road. Now, no matter what your priorities might be, whether you're dodging pitfalls with the worst of the lot or cruising confidently in one of the best, the SUV landscape of 2025 promises plenty of options to suit your style. But just remember, while some rides might leave you with a bitter aftertaste or an empty bank account, the winners of the road will have you grinning to your next adventure. Now, do you have any cars you'd like to add to this list? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and for subscribing. Your support fuels our channel.